Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Cassidy Faye, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a get ready with me, and this is really my go-to look when I don't have a lot of time to do my makeup. I skip the eyeliner, I just do lashes, and this just helps me save so much time. So if you guys like this look, stay tuned. We're gonna get into this tea, and I just really hope you guys enjoy chatting with me. So my eyebrows are already done, and I added a little bit of concealer that's gonna be underneath my foundation. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend that out for you guys, okay? And the concealer that I used, where the heck is it? I gotta like get more organized when I'm filming. But I used the Urban Decay Naked Skin, and when I tell you by far my favorite Urban Decay concealer is the Naked Skin line, I'm telling you, it is the best. It blends so easily, it doesn't dry too fast. It's just perfect. So I freaking love it. I don't know if they're like discontinuing it. A lot of the shades of that concealer have not restocked in months, so I'm kind of worried about it. I need to try the Tarte concealer because I use the Tarte foundation, and I'm hoping that it's just as good as the foundation, because then I'll be very happy about that. But for now I'm using the Urban Decay, and I've been loving it. A good place to find Urban Decay concealer, the Naked Skin, is at TJ Maxx or Marshalls. So you don't want to sleep on stores like that, because that's where you find items that have been discontinued for a while. And also just check Urban Decay's website, because I could be totally wrong and maybe they've restocked since I've checked, but last time I checked they didn't have it. So yeah. So I tweeted the other day, I was like, I'm gonna have to be Velma for Halloween. I'm literally always looking for my freaking glasses. Like, I need to be Velma for Halloween. So like, I'm like looking for some like attractive Velma outfits, and I found some. I just feel like I'm gonna have to go thrifting. I'm either gonna be Velma or I'm gonna be a cheerleader, and I was thinking about Tinkerbell, but that's probably my last resort, only because I'm not really feeling it right now. I don't want to wear my hair in a bun. I love wearing my hair down, so I'm just like, I don't know. But I love Tinkerbell just because she needs attention all the time, and that's totally me. If you're associated with me, give me freaking attention and I'll love you forever, and I will be at my healthiest and my most stable. Is that toxic? We blended out our concealer, and now we're gonna move on to the foundation. Of course, we're using the Tarte foundation. This beauty blender is amazing. I got it from Target for anyone who really wants to know every single detail of my life. I love you so much. But yeah, man, like, this weekend did not turn out the way I wanted it to. Like, I really wanted to go out this weekend. Where I live, there's not a lot of places to go out, like, at all. So me and my sister were contemplating, like, are we gonna go out or are we not? Because like, there's nothing to do over here. So we're like, you know what, we're gonna just book an Airbnb and we're gonna go out in another city. So we were doing that. We're looking around, and there was nothing available for tomorrow night, which is Saturday night. So we're just stuck in our boring city, and we just have to find something to do here. I'm really disappointed that that is my situation. I just like to enjoy myself. I like meeting people, and I wasn't always like this. My family literally had their claws on me for as long as I can remember. Isn't that mind-blowing? I'm 25 years old, and I'm just like, wow, it's so fun to go out and meet people and have drinks, and like, I feel so lame, but that's really my truth. You know, better late than never. So I'm just trying to enjoy my youth. I like dressing up. I like putting on my best clothes that I don't get to wear anywhere. I'm one of those people, I shop all the time. So it's just crazy that I always was like, I have nowhere to wear this stuff, yet I wasn't going out on the weekends. And guys, I promise I have some hauls coming up, because I did a poll on my Instagram, and I realized that a lot of you really enjoy my hauls, and that makes me happy. So I really want to do like a dress haul from Shein. Super cute, you know, fun summer type dresses. I gotta do it before August is over, or else it's irrelevant. I'm gonna combine the dark neutral with this light neutral. This is the Urban Decay All Nighter Concealer, and this is the Urban Decay Naked Skin. The key is to not put too much of the dark on, because we still want our eyes to pop underneath. I'm gonna go ahead and add this light neutral underneath my eyes, and so I'm gonna add the dark neutral. 1, 2, 3. That's it. And if we need to add more, we'll add more, but we don't want to do too much right off bat. There we go. See, it's not ridiculous, but it's there. All right, so we're gonna do our next eye. Again, we're gonna add some of the light neutral. I'm trying to figure out if like the fact that I'm doing a lot of get ready with me's is a bad or good idea, because for me, I really enjoy doing get ready with me's. I guess maybe I should do a poll on Instagram. Personally, guys, by the end of the week, I hate figuring out what I'm gonna eat. It's just the most irritating thing. Like today, me and my sister were gonna go to Piata, and I was so ready to go until I got gas, and I was like, I freaking just got gas. Why the heck would I drive half an hour away when I can just get something over here? I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna get Chipotle. My sister got El Toro. I went to Chipotle. They freaking didn't have any cheese, so I had to leave, and I went to like the second closest Chipotle, and it wasn't far. It wasn't that far at all, but it's just like I didn't even care to get Chipotle. The fact that I had to do the most to get something I didn't even care to have just was really irritating. But I say all that to say that like food is just annoying. As long as I can get something fried and freaking greasy, I'm good. Like does that sound terrible? Yes. Do I care? No. Take me somewhere where I can get something unhealthy. It's really not that difficult. I like chicken wings, chicken fingers, and friggin' burgers. Take me to get a friggin' burger. Don't you hate when you say something in a group chat and people just don't say anything back? Like, okay, that's cool. My makeup looks seamless right now. I might look like a ghost on camera, but I love what I'm looking like right now. This is perfect. I am taking this eye pencil. It's in the color brown by NK, or Mercier hazelnut tea in the middle. Always. I am sorry that I didn't really have like a true subject today. I just kind of talked about what has been on my mind and like what popped up in my head. Not even necessarily what's been on my mind, just things that have popped up in my head. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I'm not gonna do anything else. I might add a gloss to this, I'm not gonna lie. Should I? Right now though? Well, right now I'm not gonna add a gloss to it just because I don't want to. So I'm just gonna take my pins out. There we go. And we're just gonna let our hair down completely. My hair is freshly washed. I just washed it last night, so that's why it's so flat. There's a lot of movement. It's just really flat when I first straighten it. So I love my makeup today. This is so natural. This is something I would do if like I was in a rush. Works out perfectly. I love this look. It's just so pretty. I went on this weird ramble and everything I talked about is just scattered. So if you're following and you could relate and you liked this video, I'm glad. I really am glad. And if not, I hope the next video hits home for you, and I am going to continue to put out more relatable content and more fashion content and just all things Cassidy having to do with her and her life and the things that she likes to do. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and give this a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I love you guys so much. You guys already know this, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.